Hello YouTubers, I'm back with another video, and this time I want to show you this new product by Zippo. As you can see the logo here, it is a oak counter display for 10 Zippos, but this display is intended to be on a counter, on your desk. I mean, not to hang on a wall, okay? As you can see by my reflex there, it has a glass panel which slides to the right. As you can see, there's an opening here to which the glass panel slides. On the back part of it, nothing special. Neither on top, and on the bottom part there's a smooth protection. It resembles velvet, but it's just some paper, smooth paper, to avoid scratching your desk or your counter. So it's a beautiful piece for those who like to collect Zippos, as is my case. I collect mainly Zippo pipe lighters. I have a small collection, so that's why I bought this. And the advantage of this display is that you can open it by sliding the glass panel and grab the Zippo you want to use. So let's see how they look like in here. For example, I have this old model. I have another one with a red line around and the pipe logo there. This is my Sherlock Holmes model. I have another Zippo, if I'm not mistaken it's called Pipe Shapes. It comes with 3 pipe shapes, doubling, billiard and prints. And the last pipe lighter that I have is this Peterson, which I purchased together with a Peterson pipe. It was a gift set. So these are the 5 Zippo pipe lighters. I mean original pipe lighter, since you can purchase yourself any Zippo and just change the insert from a normal insert, I mean normal this insert here, to a pipe which has this hole on the side. Let me grab one here, oops, on the sides, so that the flame can pass through here and go directly to the bowl of your pipe. So this is normal Zippos that I have, and I've got this one. It has this engine here. This is an original Zippo, but I changed the insert from a normal Zippo to this torch lighter, torch flame, for my cigars. So that's it. Those are all the Zippos that I have. I intend to buy some other pipe Zippo models, but so far this is what I have. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is a great product by Zippo. I do recommend if you have a small collection and you want to use your lighters, and just put it there on your desk or on your counter, whatever, and you have every lighter at your entire disposal anytime you want. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.